but I was at the first to come.
Hi guys, we just got back from Yeppoon Lagoon. It's a public pool on the beach, and they put them there because in the warmer seasons you can't really swim here because of the stingers. So we had a quick dip in there and a shower.
Yeah, we had a hot shower, which was great. Been needing it, I guess. We've had stink. So
Speak for yourself.
No, it was good. It's been really good. Like just finding a hot shower or a beach shower, just anything. Like we do have a shower in the van, like outdoor shower, but just easier, heaps easier.
We can't really keep that running for too long, otherwise we run out of water pretty quickly. So
keep filling the tank up every week, so
yeah,
trying to be conservative with the water.
Yeah.
So write your name, leave a little message too. Eyes are shining diamond blue, make heaven come closer to you. And when you finally come down to realize what you hadn't found, is anything like solid ground.
Currently walking a little track to get to the other side of the island. Probably less wind on this side and better fishing apparently. A few reefs and stuff, so hopefully see some fishies.
We are at Great Keppel Island, just off Yeppoon. We've spent the day relaxing and fishing. Jayden caught how many fish?
Probably about 10 fish. Ebb caught 0.
Thanks for clarifying that.
No, it's good. It's a nice little island if anyone's up this way, I guess. It's, what was it, $40 each, $45 each to come over for the day.
Yeah.
No, it was really good. Had heaps of fun.
Yeah, definitely recommend coming here. There's some reefs and stuff that you can snorkel, although I think we went to the other side of the island and there's not as many reefs, so we didn't do that, but lots of people do that. So Rockhampton City, is that what they call it?
Yes.
City of Rockhampton. What are we doing?
I am getting a tattoo.
And are you nervous?
No, not really. Are you nervous?
Yes. I'm not even getting anything and I'm nervous.
Eb's getting a full back piece.
It's all finished. Thanks so much.
No worries.
See ya.
Have a good trip.
How do you feel?
Good. I love it. It's so good.
That's awesome.
Here it is, so write your name, leave a little message too. Eyes are shining diamond blue, make heaven come closer to you. And when you finally come down to realize what you hadn't found, is anything like solid ground. Don't make a sound. On my hostage love. Used to be in love, but you ran off. Used to get in love, but you ran away. Frozen to the feeling when you backed up. Used to know how when you ran away. Used to be in love, but you ran off. Used to get in love, but you ran away. Frozen to the feeling when you backed up. Used to know how when you ran away. Here it is, so write your name, leave a little message.
We've just arrived to a nice free camping area at Lake Cross. prosper. Pa. Apparently there's some hot showers, which will be nice.
My hostage love used to be in love, but you ran off. Used to get love, but you ran away. Frozen to the feeling when you backed up. You took my heart when you ran away. Used to be in love, but you ran off. Used to get love, but you ran away. Frozen to the feeling when you backed up. You took my heart when you ran away. Here it is, so write your name. Leave a little message too. Eyes are shining diamond blue. Make heaven come closer to you.
Thank you.
To realize what you hadn't found. Is anything like solid ground? Don't make a sound.
Turn the radio off.
Oh yeah. Loves it. Arrived at our first destination, West Point on Magnetic Island. Gonna go for a little fish. If I don't catch anything today, I think I give up. Woo! Very nice. What are we having for dinner tonight?
So we have green Thai curry chicken. There's these little like Audi street kitchen things, and they've got all the sauces and curry paste and coconut milk and that in there. So
Very quick and easy.
it's easy. Just let that simmer now on a low heat.
Yum.